about to make this wig look like it's coming from my scalp. So, how is everyone doing? Like, I have not been on YouTube in so long. I haven't made a video, I haven't posted a video. I just been doing so much stuff. I've been doing a lot. If you've been following me, I was mostly posting about my weight loss journey and stuff. Getting VSG. I took all those videos down because, like, I wanted to, you know, I just wanted to start my channel over, so I removed all those videos. So if you were following me because of like VSG, I'm sorry. I'm not really gonna be touching too much on that on my channel, but I will be doing a lot of health, fitness, eating, all that good stuff on my channel. So if you do want to stay for that, that's fine. But looking for information on VSG, not me, baby, not me, sorry. So right now I'm just sectioning my hair, just trying to figure out how much I need to cover this headband. I kind of like to have more hair on the outside because I need enough hair to cover the headband. But y'all, this is my favorite little go-to style when I'm trying to be cute. Usually when I wear my headband wig, I just put a headband over it. But the headband wig is so versatile. You can do so much with the headband wig, honestly. Like, you can do a lot. Yeah, I do not know how to cornrow. Don't come for me. I just don't know how to cornrow. Sorry. I'm African, but I don't cornrow. There are people like us that exist that are African and can't cornrow. I know there's some, right? I can't be the only one. So, y'all are about to see me fake cornrow because I do like to have like something for the clips to like sit on. Again, you can see a part. It is not a perfect part, honestly, because I'm gonna be taking some hair and combining it and whatnot. So I'm about to cornrow. I'm gonna speed this up, so I'm not even gonna talk. I just tried to flat twisted something. I just needed some little bridges. I don't know what to call it. I just need something to something for the clips to connect to. You don't even have to do what I did, flat twist, or you can cornrow, or you don't even have to do anything. You just lay your hair flat. I just personally like to have something, I don't know, for the clips to hold on to, versus like my hair being straight flat. I don't feel like it won't slip as much. But yeah, so this is what I got going on. Goes with the Velcro. This goes on top of your head, and then it connects on the back and has like the Velcro. And then there are, I've run this to the gauze, so that's what my clips look this color. But it comes with 3 clips in the front and then 2 clips in the back. So yeah, I don't use the clips in the back, I just use the clips in the front. So I'm gonna put this thing on my head. I hope you guys can see what I just did. But yeah, this is how I apply my wig. my headband wig. I love this wig. I really do. I fucking love this wig. So right now I'm just gonna open the clips and then clip this thing right here. Sometimes the clip hurts. It's a personal preference, but I just use the 2. I don't use all 3. And what I'm going to do is take this like that, kind of like mark it, you know, we'll wrap it around the hair. Same thing with this side. And then I'm just gonna snap it in the back. You could pull it as tight, or you could leave it as loose as you like. I pretty much do mine as tight as I can. And cover it. Boom. Man. So mind you guys, I've washed this wig. I don't even remember when I purchased this wig because this wig is old. So imagine this wig is old, but it's still holding up really good. I'm gonna like I'm gonna look for the email of like my order. I'm gonna post it on the screen so you guys can see how much it costs, the density, because I don't know it right now offhand. But yes, this wig maybe is everything and some. Everything and some. You feel me? Like wow, look at that. Whoever came up with this wig, God bless you. So I'm just brushing it because baby needs to be brushed. So yeah. So now that we got that going, as you can see, what I'm going to do is pretty much cover this. So it looks like a half wig. Y'all know the half wigs. But the thing I like about the headband wig is because it comes with that little Velcro strap. And it really protects your edges. Like, honestly, my edges, it's always this side. This is not as bad, but this side's always been bad. Like, I was wearing, like, a lot of wigs, like the lace glue, all that stuff. So, like, my edges aren't as good as they should be. But when I want to give myself a break from, like, the lace wigs and stuff, I probably need to start wearing closures, too. I go to my Good Faithful headband wig and I'm gonna get another one. I'm gonna get like a kinky curly one so I can do the same thing that I'm about to show you guys. So as you can see, this is how it's gonna be pretty much. As you see, this little part shows like it's whatever at this point. I don't even care, but you know, once you fix it, it ain't gonna show that much. It ain't gonna show that much, I promise you. So the trick is to take some of the hair from the headband wig and mix it in with your real hair. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. Honestly, I'm not taking that much. I'm just taking like a little bit, like this hairstyle, because like it's just super cute, super fun, super flirty. It just really shows how versatile the headband wig can be. Okay, I promise you. So we're taking this hair out and I'm going to use, I prefer to use like edge gel, but I don't have that much. So I'm only going to use this for my edges. So this is the Edge Boost pomade. I'm going to use that for my edges. I might use a little bit on my hair, but this don't do nothing for me. And it's all scratched up, but this is the Eco Styler olive oil and shea butter and black castor oil and flaxseed styler gel. Like it's faded, I'm sorry, but I don't know, Eco Styler gel ain't really that good for my hair because my hair is super coarse, and if anything, this is gonna make it wet and revert. I'm gonna secure the wig part with the scrunchie. Now, what we're gonna do is take this scrunchie and connect it to that and then wrap the hair around. And let me just do my edges and get that together. So I'm taking some of the Eco Styler gel. Now I'm gonna take the hair and connect it, and I'm gonna use another scrunchie like so. Okay. Y'all had to change from my phone to my actual camera, so this is a mess. This is a mess. So I came to you guys and I'm showing you how to make this shit look like your real, how to make this look like it's coming out your scalp. So y'all, this video will be a mess. I don't even care. I'm gonna post it because it's still cute. Once I do my makeup and all of that good stuff, it's gonna come out cute. I promise y'all. I really do. I do not have a brush. This is the most brush that I got. I'm gonna have to go to the store and get a brush. I have to do that. And y'all can probably see my headband. Yeah, what's that? I don't even care. But to be honest, for that part, you could pin it. I don't know. You could probably pin it. Damn. I should have took more hair. I should have taken more hair out. But I'm gonna just probably bobby pin it. There we go. Like whatever. There we go. There we go. I don't know what the peace side is doing, but it's doing something for me. Okay. I look crazy. I look crazy. I look crazy. Alright, so I'm about to take this little straggle that I got going on. And it depends. Sometimes I twist it and wrap it. Sometimes I just wrap it. I don't know. I have to see what I like, what I want to do. If I want to twist it and wrap it, or just wrap it. What should I do? Maybe I'll twist it and wrap it. And imagine if you actually really know how to do hair, and like me, this shit will look so fucking slayed and laid. I'm trying to tell you. I'm just giving out the idea. The execution for everyone else is personal preference, y'all. Personal preference. So, and when Bobby pin that little piece out. Bobby pin this. This is Bobby pin. Bobby pin. There we go. Look at that. A little bit non-existent, so y'all gotta bear with me. I know the quality is gonna be mismatchy, but yeah. As far as edges, y'all, I'm not that great. I'm not. My hair's too African to be doing all that, but I be trying. I really do. Look at how it's coming out. I didn't even put my face on it. Let me turn around for y'all so y'all can see. That's what I'm saying. Ooh. If I want to leave it in its full greatness or curl it, let me so y'all can see what I'm working with. Hopefully it don't look too bad. You can see. But that's what I'm saying. I gotta get the curly one. If anyone would like to purchase the curly wig for me, it would be greatly appreciated. Just have to put that out there. If anyone wants to buy it for me, that would be wonderful, because yeah, it's ridiculous. The price not ridiculous, but if someone wants to be nice and buy it, why would I say not buy it? Like I say, y'all, I'm not good at the edges stuff, so like yeah, this is all I got. This is all I got. I don't have much, y'all. I don't. I be trying. I really do. For the girls that lack edges, this is for y'all. I'm repping for y'all. I'm gonna go out on a date. Now I did my hair. I'm gonna go on a date.
Who was taking me out on a date? Who wants to take me out on a date? Great. In my hair, as you can see, this little flyaways, but that one makes it look natural. That's what makes this wig look like my real hair, the little flyaways. But if you're a perfectionist, you can definitely, of course, adjust. Yes, this wig is my favorite, y'all. Look at it. You can't tell me shit. All right, so I'm gonna come back with the face bead and my outfit, and I'm gonna take some pictures because it's a Sunday for me. Today is a Sunday. Feeling good, feeling blessed. Why not be cute for yourself?